Got today Brussels sprouts from the other day, eggs and some avocado, of course some coffee. Love it. Well folks, tonight is the San Diego Tango Festival, but as you saw from last episode, my car, it needs to be fixed, and it needs to be fixed today or else I will not get there. We're gonna do a little bit of surgery on that guy. If that surgery goes well, then I will be at the San Diego Tango Festival tonight. Otherwise, who knows? But I have a pretty good idea about what's going on with the car. So I'll tell you one thing that I'm not, is that I'm not an expert at fixing cars. But I'm pretty good at figuring things out. For this repair, the engine needs to be stone cold. So we got maybe an hour to kill, and then we'll get to the work. I mean, it's kind of like anything, right? If you set your mind to it, you take the time, you figure it out, you can do it. Similar to tango. I didn't know how to dance. I was never very good at it, but I kept practicing, I kept trying, and eventually got better. Cue the time lapse. Few hours now, and I'm pretty sure I discovered the problem. Let's see if you can see. So see how this one, it's got a little nut, and then this one right here is missing. But I ordered the part. Unfortunately, that doesn't come until tomorrow, so to be continued. So no tango tonight, it looks like. How about a change of scenery?
Yeah, I'm not gonna be humble. Yeah,
here we are. I'm with my good buddy Carrington here, and Alvin. Carrington is just visiting us from Hawaii.
Oh yeah. For a short period.
This is the OG crew.
Dude, it is pretty OG.
The OG like rave crew, am I right? That was a different life though.
The video of Carrington back from.
No, let's not. It was fun times.
It was
with
great.
all the homies.
Yeah.
And now here we are.
And now
pretty
we're
much 10 years later.
Now we're all. So I didn't make it to the tango event tonight, but I think good friends are more important than that. So I'm glad to be here.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Great pod.
Cheers.
Cheers, boys.
Congratulations.
We've been through a lot. I love you guys. To brotherhood.
Congratulations, Carrington.
Thank you. Cheers, guys.
We're close.
Oh my god. Who's the film student?
Love you guys.
Love you guys.
Love you guys. See you next time.
Sorry, local.